Hey guys, this video I'm gonna show you how AI Influencer works for AI Influencer Studio on Higgsfield. This is the new feature right here. So once you click on it, you're gonna have different model right here. So you can start with different model on the left side of the screen right here. So there's different aliens like reptilian, so on. But you can also choose human. So on the right side, you can choose character. So you can choose between human, ant, bee, octopus, crocodile, iguana, and so on. So if you find this pretty cool to have, but usually AI influencer are human, so you can choose the gender: female, male, trans man. So once you click on it, it's gonna say reset configuration. So trans man, trans woman, non-binary, and you can choose the ethnicity between African, Asian, Middle Eastern, or you're gonna have like a combination as well. So you can actually do mixed. So you can choose different ethnicity at the same time if it's a mixed influencer, and you can choose a skin color. So different skin color. You can also have the RGB color gradient here, and the eye color. So you can choose all these eye color that you like. Skin conditions. You can have pigmentation, freckles, and again you can choose multiple skin conditions as you fit for your character, and the age. So you can do mature, senior. You can actually go to advanced. So if you click advanced, you're gonna select face. So all the different face type: human, reptile, mechanical, eye details, different eye, blind eye, scarred eye, glowing eye. You can have small mouth, large mouth, no teeth, different teeth, sharp teeth, forked teeth, two tongues, kind of scary. So ears, you can have human, elf, no ears, horns, small horns, big horns, antlers. You can have face skin material, so human skin, scales, fur, etc. And surface pattern. So you can have like different pattern on your body: chest pattern, veins visible, giraffes, and so on. So a lot of customization you can do with this, and you can again choose let's see, body. So body, you can have body type, different body type. You can have slim, lean, athletic, muscular for your influencer, curvy, heavy, etc. Left arm, you can have a robotic arm as well, prosthetic arm. You can have right arm, left leg. So left leg, different thing, same as the arm. So mechanical, prosthetic, robotic as well. So I'm not gonna choose any of this. So you can also in here get a prompt. So you have a prompt and you don't want to customize this because this is kind of limited. You can actually write your own prompt using like AI. And I'm gonna show you here just a human, like European, and we're gonna have her eye to be like red, like that, and we're gonna have freckles on her, and let's generate this. So the current image does not reflect your new settings, so it's gonna show up once you actually check something. It's gonna show up as a label right here, so you can like discard it pretty easily, because you can spend so much time going through all this. And on the left side you can have different influencer as well, but I think the most useful is human. So once you click generate, it's gonna give you, so sign up with my link below for Higgsfield. You're gonna get like a free generation for the AI influencer to try, but you probably need to have like a plan. I think you don't need a plan. You can just get the $0 a month free, but you just join Twitter, X, and follow Higgsfield, like repost, like, and then reply. You're gonna get 220 credits that you can apply, and you can apply in your credits right here, promo code. So let's wait until it's done creating this. So alright, it finished creating. So if you don't like any of this, kind of cool to have like these labels. She has some freckles, and I'm pretty sure it generated with so 2K quality. That's the size, and You can see a little bit of freckles on her face. Not really, but like that's the AI influencer. It looks pretty realistic, and it has different options right here. You can use credits or a free GAN to regenerate, so or type to customize your character. You can also like write a prompt. You can edit with in Nano Banana, and you can actually animate it as a video. You can save as influencer cover as well. So for example, if I go through edits, if I click on this, it's just gonna pop up different AI right here that I did, and you can actually she is holding a product, a cosmetic product, let's say cosmetic product in her hand, showing. So we're gonna create, you can do unlimited if you have the plan, so it's not gonna cost any credits. Otherwise you can re-edit this, and I wonder like how do you go back after that. So you can AI influencer right here, you can animate, you can get a multi-shot in paint on angles, relight as well. A lot of options here. You can upscale as well. Use reference if you want to make a modification. So for example, if we have this, it's doing the modification, and we're gonna go to the free one right here. Try free right now. You can edit 13 free left right here. Type to customize your character. So you can customize here instead of editing in Nano Banana. She is wearing a dress, a tank top, let's say. So if you click edit, you don't have to go through the edit Nano Banana, which takes you to another screen. It's going to generate here right away, so you don't have to leave that screen. That's what I wanted. And let's wait. All right, so it changed to a tank top. She was wearing this, and I told to change to a tank top. She is holding a cosmetic product with a brand name. So let's say, so you can edit right away here. That's just much easier with the name Sparkle. Okay, so let's edit this. So let me show you another thing. If you want to regenerate the model, you can just regenerate this. It's going to give you a different model. And the last one that I showed, she's holding this product, and actually it didn't remove the camera. So I'm going to ask to remove the phone from her hand. And so I regenerated here. Right, so I told to remove the camera, but she's not looking at here, and I like the tank top on the first one, so I just redid this by typing she's holding this product and remove the camera. So that's her right here. So she's holding this product. I call it Sparkle. So that's the Sparkle. It wrote the brand on it, which is cool. And so what we want to do is we want to generate the video. So once you click on try free right here, free viral motion video, so you can actually have dances of this, and that's gonna be like for TikTok. But I want her to probably like talk about the product. So let's see. So if I click on it, it says explore more. Right, so once I click on explore more, so it redirected me to the motion control, the cling. So you can actually have different templates right here. So it already attached the image reference for me, so I don't have to. And there's different right here like motion that you can copy. And so she's so those are all like moving motions, and probably we don't want that. You probably want to copy something like she's talking about the product, but so I would actually, what I would do is I would download a TikTok video that is with someone showing the product, and you upload that video right here. So she's gonna like show the product and talk about it, and that will work better. But right now these are all the dances in the video, and we're probably gonna do, let's pick one. Let's pick this one. All right, so once you click on it, it's gonna upload it right here, and if you upload this one, you click on this one, it's gonna upload right here, so like that. And so let's do this one, and we have free generation left. You can actually do a scene control mode, which is choose where the background should come from, the character image or the motion video. So we're gonna keep it to the image. The background is on the image. That's more natural. You can also do describe what's going on in the scenes, like something on the background. Usually I would leave it blank, because otherwise it would cause artifacts. When you can also choose the orientation, which comes from the video. So it's gonna choose that video motion. So it's gonna actually replace her. So copy the motion from the video right here. If you choose image, it's gonna so if the image is facing like not straight, the image is not gonna be straight, and she's gonna be looking somewhere else. That's good for music video. And so right now it's 720p 1080p, costs more, but we have free generation left, so let's just use free. And which one is better? So let's do this one just for fun. And so that's how AI influencer works. Basically you can actually redo this by generating in Nano Balena, and actually use clean motion and copy from there. So it's not something new, but you just have like a template right here that you can work with without you guessing. And yeah, so that's that would be cool to see, like someone like a like alien or something bizarre talking about your product. That would capture like the virality of the video. Yeah, so these are all the, that's a very I have not seen like influencer like this. So okay, so you can do ants, bees, and so on. So I regenerated another influencer right here. When you click the regenerate, it's gonna generate another influencer, and usually it would look like real influencer. So yeah, you can actually prompt to edit this further. So yeah, that's how it works. So that's what I generated. I asked to remove, I asked to hold product right here, and yeah, so you can choose between different physical traits, ethnicity, and so on. So let's wait for this to be done. I created a bunch right here. So just for fun, while we're waiting, we're gonna generate two ethnicity at the same time, Asian and European. It's gonna add both right here. We're gonna do female, we're gonna do a human, and let's do her with like this green eye, and we're gonna have some pigmentation, freckles, and then so like that. Okay, and we're gonna have different eye, reptile, and so on. Body, we're gonna have slim, slim, athletic, lean. So lean is pretty good. So style, oh, I didn't go through the hairstyle. So short, long hair, spiky, afro, spine, and so on. So she has long hair. And accessories, you can have different tattoos. Tattoos are hyper realistic. Yeah, so hyper realistic. So let's just create this while we're waiting for the video to finish. Alright guys, so we finished generating the video based on this reference video on the left side right here, given that image. So it just removed that that product in her hand. So I think it's kind of copyright right here, so I'm gonna mute the sound. So she's doing the exact same thing as the other one. but I was hoping like the product would stay in her hand because she's an AI influencer. So I guess this product is actually to make the AI more famous, but not to showcase a product. It's not like a UGC type of thing, because this is gonna remove the product right away, unless you have a video that shows someone, like a sample video right here, with someone holding the product. Otherwise, it's just a simple like clean motion control that can be generated with Nano Banana with more precise. Like, it's more like a template. Yeah. So I'm gonna mute this sound because it can't copyright. So that's the AI influencer. Click in the link in my video description to get this. You're gonna have like a pretty good deal right now if you choose the annual plan versus the monthly plan. You can generate like unlimited for 2 years, the Dream 4.5 and Nano Banana Pro if you choose the creator plan right here. Even the ultimate plan, you get 1 year free. So Nano Banana Pro is here, and for creator you're gonna have like so much credits for this much, which is really cheap. You're gonna like make tons of content with this for those who are in need of content, but this is built for 24 months. So yeah, so click the link in my video description below. You're gonna get motion control unlimited for 30 days for creator, ultimate for 7 days, and yeah, so you can access more tools in here. What I like about Higgsfield is that you can actually choose a lot of stuff. You can choose between different AI model, like all this clean model right here, O1 2.6 2.5, which 2.5 and O1 accepts first and last frame right here. And I find it's better than OpenArt because the image that you upload right here, it's gonna be like the full resolution, versus OpenArt kind of compress that, so the output those kind of look blurry on OpenArt. Higgsfield is giving away free credits every day, like on Twitter X. You can get 220 credits very often because they update very often, because they just raised investor round, so they have a lot of money to promote this. So Cedence for 1.5, it's actually pretty good for audio. You can accept up to 12 seconds, and then you can also go to 1080p, which is pretty sharp. Only go here if you're sure that your project is doing is what you want. You have Google VO 3.1, so go with the creator plan, because even though you don't know what to do with that, you can actually create pretty cool content with Google VO right here, VO3, and Sora as well. Sora has a lot of cool realistic videos with sound, and can go viral pretty quick. So follow me. I post like a lot of shorts for viral content on my channel, and you can actually use this to create this Sora 2 prompt. And let me know in the comment if you want me to give you a tool how to get the Sora text prompt from a video, so you can create those pretty viral content. And yeah, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in next. Bye.